Welcome to safetrader. This is Aravind. So let's analyze today's trade first, and also we will understand what we can do for tomorrow. Okay, today it has opened, around 35,185 in Bank Nifty. Okay, and suddenly shot up immediately. I'm actually looking at it in 15-minute time frame. So suddenly shot up, and after that, it has taken a low of today's trade. Okay, this is the low of today's trade. Now from here, if you actually look at, it has taken a bounce from here and went towards exactly the level that I was actually sharing it on our Telegram channel. So if you can check back our Telegram channel, I posted these details, also the support levels and resistance levels in our Telegram channel. So from here exactly it was taking a rejection and then hit our target here. Okay, so this was a very beautiful trade. We were able to capture this momentum and were able to book profits here. Okay, so that's in Bank Nifty. And let's look at Nifty as well, how it has been doing in Nifty. So Nifty also for some time it was sideways completely. If you look at it, okay, it was completely sideways, and I updated in our Telegram channel that now please do not take any positions. So after that, once the level that I have drawn here, you look at this level, so around 16,526, once this is broken, so we were able to take call option, and I clearly mentioned, and I've also given you a Bank Nifty call option if you were to look at, okay, 35,200 call. So hope whoever has taken that call were able to book profit. So from here, we had a rally, and also the logic behind having this rally is because the support that it has taken, and also the kind of volume it has, and open interest that was building up on the put side. Contrary to this, I'll tell you why I was bullish in Bank Nifty as well. So let me go into a 5-minute time frame and look at this particular pattern here, whatever you see here. Okay, whenever you see something like this, okay, let me see. Okay, so a pattern which is making a bottom here, another pattern which is testing the same bottom, and another one which is testing the same bottom. So when you see three bottoms like this, most of the times, at least 80 to 85% of the times, you might see some kind of reversal trade here. So look for these kind of trades anywhere in the future as well. This is likely to happen most of the times, that it will take a rejection and go towards the high of that day. Okay, so and similarly I have seen the same thing in Nifty as well, but not immediate trade, but I have taken some time to trade in Nifty as well, because it was not an easy trade in Nifty. So however, I was following this trend initially. Okay, look at this. This is the trend I was actually following. So when there was a rejection here, I waited for this level to break, because this was the level I was looking for. Once this level was broken, I was able to take a trade and book full profits here. And I have taken some trades here, but I could not book entire profit because it did not touch my level. So I exited with my trailing stop loss here. So basically that is what I would always urge you to do this. So whenever you see some levels like this, whenever I share you, it's always good to follow those levels only, okay, than actually looking at one green candle and you say buy, call option, or if you see a red candle you buy put option. Now that is not how it works. So probably what you should do is understand the levels, how Bank Nifty is testing from the top and taking a support from the bottom. Okay, so most of the times if you look at the after making good movement, it was taking a huge support here. This is when we have taken a fresh position in the call as well. So and it was also volatile for some time in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and it was not able to give us good premiums. And most of the times when there was a sideways momentum here, it was only eating out premiums, and there was a huge premium decay, which I understand completely. Okay, now what are the levels that we will need to keep in mind for tomorrow? So in Nifty, this is going to be some crucial level, which is that 16,618. That is going to be a crucial level, remember. So if it opens a gap up, we can go with this target of 16,618. 18, that is going to be our target, and close all our positions. Okay, we need to close all our positions here once it touches. Now what is going to be next trade once it touches 16,618? We will have to wait for a rejection or a price action above this. So if it is taking a rejection, I am going to go with a target of 16,526 with a stop loss of 16,577 once it crosses 16,577 at the bottom. So which basically means that when I take a reverse trade here, my first target will be 16,577, and once this is broken on the bottom, I would go with the target of 16,526, and ultimate target will be 16,446 at the bottom. Okay, so which is giving me around 200 points, almost 150 to 200 points of target for me. However, this is going to act as a crucial level for me, 16,618. Okay, so 16,618 is broken on the upper side. Okay, I would go with the target of 16,658 and 16,718 on the upper side. So these are the higher levels only if 16,618 is broken. Only 16,618 is broken, I will take with a sorry about that. So once it is breaking 16,618 on the upper side, I would go with the target of 16,718. Okay, and now it is giving me retest below 16,618. I will directly go with the target of 16,577 and then 16,526 on the bottom. Okay, so these are the very good levels that we will need to follow tomorrow, and we shall see how the trade is going to be. And moreover, it has taken multiple times a support around 16,554. So probably, most probably, based on the trend which I see here, it is going to be a gap up situation which I am expecting. But we haven't taken any call or put side positions because these days there are multiple uncertainty that's prevailing around, and news is not in favor of us. So we didn't want to take a risk there. Oh, this is how it is going to be in Nifty. So let's check in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, it is the same thing, and it is taking a support around 35,185 at the bottom, and also resistance at 35,397. Now once it breaks tomorrow 35,397 on the upper side, our immediate target is going to be 35,657, and final target is going to be 36,084. However, for 36,084 to reach, we will have to still wait for this zone to break, which is 35,870. So this is going to be our immediate target once it breaks 35,657. So now tomorrow, if it opens a gap up, what is going to be our first target? This is going to be our first target, 35,657. Now immediately after that, there will be next target of 35,870, and final target is going to be 36,884. Now what is going to be a rejection point for us? Here the rejection point is going to be 35,870 immediately. Now if 35,870 is broken and sustaining, we can immediately take a call option and go with the target of 36,000. So as I said, in Nifty, we'll have to wait for this target to reach and book all our profits here. Book all of the profits, close all the profits here, and then take a fresh trade above this. Okay, and if it is opening a gap down and then below this 35,185, directly our target is going to be 34,972 on the bottom. This is going to be the first target. Second target is going to be 34,670, and final target is going to be 34,285. This is going to be our situation tomorrow. Now if it is opening a flat, we will not take any trade because this is going to act as a no trading zone for us. We shall not take any trades here within this zone. Only at this breakdown or at the breakout will take a trade. Okay, hope you liked the content that we are providing. If you like so, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and you have a great day ahead.